Let's switch things up today and dive right into the thought provoking idea. Have you ever noticed how the right piece of advice or a sudden moment of clarity can completely change how you handle a tough situation? That's the power of knowledge. Welcome back to another episode of Rubaru with Barkha Singh, and today we are exploring a gem from Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2. Right knowledge is the ultimate solution to all our problems, and it's a bold claim, but let's unpack it together. In Chapter 2, Krishna imparts wisdom to a troubled Arjuna, guiding him through his doubts and fears with profound truths. Imagine having that level of clarity in our lives, where the fog of confusion lifts and we see our paths clearly. Right knowledge isn't just about information, it's about understanding the essence of things, seeing beyond the immediate to the deeper truths. So just think about the time when you felt stuck. How did gaining the right insight or perspective help you move forward? It's not just about knowing more, it's about knowing what truly matters. This kind of knowledge empowers us to solve problems from their roots rather than just addressing the symptoms. Just consider how we often face challenges that seems incurable or insurmountable. What if instead of reacting impulsively, we sought out the right knowledge to address those issues? How would our approach change if we paused, reflected, and understood the core of the problem, which is our problem, right? So today's episode was all about embracing that transformative power of knowledge, and we'll dive into practical ways of curating and cultivating this wisdom in our everyday lives and discuss how to apply it to overcome obstacles with clarity and confidence. Once again, thank you for joining me at Rubaru with Barkas, and I'm so excited to hear from you your thoughts and experiences on this journey towards right knowledge. So first off, start with self-reflection. Often our problems stem from a lack of understanding about ourselves and the situation. Take time each day to reflect on your experiences and reactions. Ask yourself, what am I not seeing clearly here? What deeper truths might be at the play? Next, seek out trusted sources of knowledge, whether it's books, mentors, or educational resources. Find information that resonates with your situation. Bhagavad Gita itself is a treasure trove of wisdom. Consider exploring it further or finding other materials that offer fresh perspectives. Another key approach is to engage in thoughtful questioning. Don't just accept information at face value. Challenge assumptions and explore different viewpoints. This helps in gaining a deeper understanding and clarifying what's truly important. Apply what you learn in small steps. Knowledge becomes powerful when applied. Start by using new insights to address minor challenges and observe the changes. As you see progress, tackle bigger issues with the same approach. Lastly, surround yourself with a supportive community. Engage in discussions who are also seeking to grow, Shaping experiences and insights can deepen your understanding and provide new perspectives. By integrating these solutions in your daily life, you can harness the transformative power of right knowledge, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and clarity. Thank you for tuning in to Rubaru with Barkha Singh, and let's continue this journey of enlightenment together. Share your experiences and thoughts with us. Remember, we're all in this learning adventure together. Pranam.